Hi everyone, I'll do a quick tutorial on how you can fill your text box with color in Canva. Just open your design, add a text box, a simple text box, click on it, go to effects, and then go to background. And it will automatically add a background to your text box. Now, if you want to make some changes, go back to the effects menu, and then you can change the roundness of it. So you can make it fully square, or you can make it more rounded. This helps if you want to create like a button-like effect. The spread basically decreases or increases the padding between the box and the actual text. So you can make it really less, you can make it really more. And the transparency basically is a transparency. You can change how much you want. The color you can change over here as well. You can take from your brand colors, which shows me automatically my primary brand colors and my secondary brand colors and default colors. You can change from here. You can also go here and choose a custom color, of course. A quick note, if you want to design your complete professional and consistent brand identity, and you don't want to hire an expensive designer or spend weeks figuring it out, I have just launched an AI and Canva course on brand graphics and visuals, where we use ChatGPT or Gemini's Nano Banana and Canva to create all your brand assets: logo, color palette, business stationery, social media banners, mockups, and even video animation. You'll be able to design your entire brand visual system in just a weekend. And you don't need any design experience or skills. You already know what you want for your brand. Just use my detailed prompts and templates and follow my step-by-step videos. I will use a fictional brand to create everything from scratch, so you will know exactly how to do it for your brand. If you're interested to check it out, link is in the description. All right, now let's keep going. The one thing that you cannot do, or I haven't figured out at least how to do, is to add gradient to this text box. So that if you want to add a gradient to the background, then you will just have to create a separate element, make it a box like this. Then you can add a gradient to it, go to gradient, put something here, do it like this, change the rounding of it, and remove this one from the background. So just do none, and you can put this behind. That is how you can add a gradient to the text box background if you want. But if you want a flat color, you can do it simply with the effects menu. That's it. And that's how easy it is to fill your text box with color in Canva.